Stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. First thing that I want to mention with 3M companies, that the prices actually delivered, you know. What I wanted to happen actually happened. Let me show you the proof. So this is the most recent prediction that I did. It was made 2 months ago, only got 34 views, which is absolutely sad. And look, this is when I called it out. I wanted to see a double break in order for me to take things up. Since that started, guess what happened? I mean, everything's supposed to be moved a little bit lower. We're almost about to reach the point of those highs of no return. And generally speaking, like, this was actually put there correct. And the only thing that I really care about right now is the price retracing down. More likely than not, we're going to clear out the highs. But if I see retracements and my rules are met, then and only then I will take things up. Other than that, everything else is noise. I'll pull like a little confirmation part here. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.